For today's science lesson, you're going to start off by reading pages 300 to 302 in your science book. Highlight, answer any questions that may come up, and also make sure that you answer the lesson 3 check questions as well. I don't need pictures of these pages. I trust that you're getting this part done on your own. It will be helpful later on when we do have an assessment on this. So please make sure that you're reading, you're highlighting, you're answering the questions. And again, it's only pages 300 to 302. It should not take you that long at all. The second part of this assignment, you are going to watch, it's called The Moon and Its Phases video, which is attached, and it's on a website called Generation Genius. It's a pretty cool website that I was able to get a free trial of while we're not in school. So I kind of wanted to test it out and see how it worked. So you're going to watch this video. Then you're going to answer the after video questions, which I've attached a Google Doc with those questions already typed onto them. So you just type directly onto that Google Doc, answer the questions in complete sentences, and then you can send it back to me. You're also going to read the reading material section on the Generation Genius website. So if you scroll down a little bit, there's a couple different tabs. Click on the one that says reading material, and you can read through that. It's going to open up in another window. And then you're going to be taking a quiz. So you're going to print the PDF file called Moon Phases Quiz. You're going to answer the questions. You can use all of the materials that you used today. You could watch the video again if you need to. You can use the reading material to answer some questions. However you need to answer these questions is fine. It's really just open website, open book test. You're going to print it, you're going to answer the questions, and then take a photo and attach it to the Google Classroom assignment, and then I can grade it from there. Okay? If you have any questions about this, let me know.